Hey, so in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a fire using your own Bowdrill set. Well, in the last video I've shown you how to build your own Bowdrill set. You know, the bow, hardboard, spindle, socket, all those components. Well, today I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got the bow, we got the hardboard, we got our spindle, socket, and something to catch your ember with. Well, preparation is key. We got the smallest twigs, we got our medium twig, and we got some larger sticks. You always build from small until large. And this is the bird's nest that's gonna catch your ember. So let's start. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock the spindle in place. Take it between my fingers, hold it. I'm gonna put it on the hardboard, then add the socket. You're gonna build up, not too fast, not too much pressure, just take it on slow. Just like this. All you gotta do is just get the motion, not too much pressure. Lock your wrist to your leg and just slowly build up speed and pressure. Just like this. When you got enough smoke and heat, build up speed and pressure. Take the full length of your bow. Just like that. It takes a lot of energy. Well, you have your ember. Tap it out gently. And let it smolder. You don't have to rush it. We got our little ember. I'm gonna put it in the bird's nest. Gently. Just put it in there. And just blow. Add your twigs, just like this. Let them burn. Just like this. Then add the medium stuff. And this is how you make a Bowdrill fire. Like I said, it takes practice. And it took me a lot of practice and a lot of failure. It is also never guaranteed, but you just gotta know what you're doing and just go out there, have fun, practice. Well, I gotta say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.